Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be showing you whether the Realme X7 Pro actually supports the 4G Plus aggregation or not. So this was a question asked by a few of the subscribers that whether the Realme X7 Pro does support the 4G Plus or it's only supported with the 4G or not. The phone has the 5G connection as well, friends. But right now I don't have the 5G SIM to test in this phone, but I do have the 4G SIM which actually has the 4G Plus as well support. So let's see whether the phone will be able to support the 4G Plus aggregation or not. And just in case if you are having any other doubts regarding the smartphones or any other test you want me to do, so make sure to comment below and definitely I'll do my best to cover that kind of video. As I said, there are so many subscribers who are trying to comment in my videos, and I'm trying to take the screenshot for each and every comment, and I'm planning to do so many videos. So these are the list of videos which are in my list of doing on the Realme X7 Pro at the moment. So make sure to comment below, friends, and definitely I'll do my best to cover your particular topic in a video as soon as possible. So let's get started with the 4G aggregation test in this Realme X7 Pro device. So let me try to quickly show you the about phone so you know exactly I'm using the Realme X7 Pro. As you can see, Dimensity 1000 plus, and don't forget to check the links in description, friends, for more details of the Realme X7 Pro. You can find so many videos already I uploaded on the Realme X7 Pro device. So at the moment of testing this 4G aggregation, I don't have any other mobile phone to capture. So what I did was I did use the screen recording, default screen recording from the Realme X7 Pro to capture the 4G plus speeds. So I did use the speed test application during this time. So let me try to open the video which I have recorded. So here is a screen recording which I did during this kind of testing as well, and this was recorded in the Realme X7 Pro. So as you can see, friends, right now on the top, if you notice, so you can see there, so 4G plus, it's clearly visible. So normally it will be only displaying the 4G, but you can see the small indication which says plus, as you can see, friends, if you notice or not, so which is really tiny one. So as I said, the Realme X7 Pro does support the 4G plus aggregation. So you will be getting very good 4G data speeds. As you can see right now, I'm getting very amazing speeds up to 169 Mbps, and sometimes even I did get about 200 Mbps as well. So I did try to do the test 2 times testing the 4G data connection, and 2 times I did have the very good high network speeds. As you can see, friends, 150 and 160 4G data speeds, 4G plus. So I cannot imagine how will be the 5G speeds as well, and in case if possible, if I get hands-on with the 5G SIM, definitely I'll try to do the test as well. You can see the uploads as well. Upload is also really good. So overall, friends, getting this kind of 167 Mbps is really good in this advantage in this Realme X7 Pro device. As I said, so the 4G connection is really strong and really good. So for this kind of premium end segment, I did expect this kind of high speeds, but one thing is that there are few other phones which already crossed the 200 and 300 benchmarks as well. There's a Redmi K20 Pro, so which is another good phone as well, but I did sell the Redmi K20 Pro, so unfortunately I don't have the Redmi K20 Pro to test, but it did cross I think 200 to 250 Mbps of speeds. So this, considering the premium end smartphone, it did 180 Mbps. So what I'll try to do, I'll try to compare the 4G data plus speed test versus the Realme X2 Pro speed test. So I'll try to keep the both phones side by side at same time, and then I'll try to compare the 4G data speeds. So maybe at that time you might be able to see the difference between the both the variants. So let me try to show you even the results of the previous test results of this Realme X2 Pro device. So this is a Realme X2 Pro. So I'm trying to search for the highest speed recorded, I think 204, using the 4G data only, using the Vodafone SIM, 204 speed. But I'll try to do at same time side by side, so you'll know exactly how is the signals in this both the phones. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and finally the 4G plus aggregation is supported in this phone successfully. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.